This week's DIY project is going to be available as a grab bag at Madeline Helling Library on August the 6th. These projects are first come, first serve, which do include all the materials, although you are welcome to find more information online if you want to do a project similar to this at home. Inside your grab bag will be a pot, a little drainage coaster. There will also be moss and paper and instructions on making your own paper plants. This paper plant project, super easy. I think you could even go further with it if you had plants of your own that you wanted to just free make your own design. With this project, I did do some tracing patterns. This first one, succulent, that I made was just a single of each of these, and then I decided I wanted it to be a little bit fuller, so I cut out two and have some dimensions, so I cut out two different colors of greenery. And all you're going to do is you're going to take the pattern, you're going to cut it out, you'll trace along the lines, and then that will give you the item to cut. I did it with pencil on this one, but because I wanted you to be able to see it nice and easily, I did it with an ink pen on this. I'd probably keep it with pencil because you're not going to see the pencil marks as much as you would the pen marks if you left it. And then with this project, oh, I left my glue. You're going to cut out all the parts, and then you're going to just put a little bit of glue and keep staggering these. And if I wanted to double up the lighter colors, I could. Here's the glue. I'm just going to put a little bit of glue, thank you, in the center. And then it can be super offset or just slightly offset. More glue. And I'm going to continue this process working with smaller leaves as we go along. I'm going to leave the very smallest for the top of this. And just keep staggering and gluing. Now once this project is completely dry, which this is not, I'll show you what you're going to do is you're going to curl the leaves, and that's what I did with this one here. So once this is completely dry, and you can see it's already starting to take shape, and I do like the way the different colors of green look besides just the solid green. When these are all dry, I'm going to take a pencil and I'm just going to roll the edges. And with the paper, you don't even need to roll it too much. With this one, you can see I went a little bit more aggressive with the rolls, and this one not so much. And then the thing I love about this project too is that you just take some of the moss, you're going to put it right into the container. You can add your succulent to the top. Ooh, let's see if we add these two together to make a nice full succulent. And there you have a sweet little plant that you'll never have to water.